Okay, today is not a repair. This is more like a service tip. If you're working on the Ventrac 4200 VXD machine and you're changing the blades, you're sharpening the blades, this is a quick tip for you if it's your first time doing it. Looking at the machine, you can see this is the machine here, the model, the Ventrac 4200 VXD all-wheel drive hydrostatic. Now, coming from the front, if you're changing the blades for the first time and you come under here, this first bolt here is going to be reverse thread, which means we all grow up learning righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. In this case, it's going to be righty-loosey. All right, this is reverse thread. And then following the next one here, this is going to be standard thread. And then you go to the next one. It's going to be reverse thread. I already have that one off. The next one, standard. The final deck, reverse. And last one, standard. So again, looking at the machine, going from this blade down, reverse, standard, reverse, standard, reverse, standard. So if you're sitting there with the wrench trying to get it off and it's not coming off, you're turning it the wrong way. Just in case you took all of the blades off already and you forgot how to put them back on, they do go on a certain way because every other blade is flipped a different direction. Again, we're at the front of the machine. So first side, first blade, all right, this is the back of your blade. The blade is actually in, okay? So we'll go like this. Back of blade, then go to your next blade. Blade, next blade. Back of blade, blade, back of blade, blade. All right, that's just the way, the rule of thumb to follow. So starting again, back of blade, go to the next blade, blade, back of blade, blade, back of blade, blade. And that's it. So if you got your blades all messed up, hopefully that helps you get them back on properly. And that's my service tip of the day. Don't forget, hit subscribe, give me a like, and I do videos every day. I'm trying to get my subscribers up, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.